Dear audience, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to draw a line segment of a given length by a pencil compass. Let us suppose that the length of a line segment A equals 10 centimeter. It is required to draw this line segment using the pencil compass and ruler. So first of all, we draw any ray here. We draw any ray. We draw a ray here. Okay. To make it raw, we have to make an arrow sign here. Okay. Now we consider the name of this ray is the A. And we place it at the right place. We place it here, and we also consider the name of this point is B. We consider the name of this point is B. Now, to draw the line segment of a given length A equals 10 centimeter, we have to use the compass and taking the radius A equals 10 centimeter, taking the length 10 centimeter, and with center A, and taking the radius equal to A equals 10 centimeter, we draw an arc, cutting the line segment AB at the point C. So AC is the required line segment whose length is A equals 10 centimeter. I hope that you could understand the today's lesson. Again, I will come along with a new video tutorial. Till then, goodbye.